Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have been looking for a toothbrush that makes my teeth squeaky clean, and I have found it. I've decided that 40 years old is the perfect time to start caring about my dental hygiene. I know it's a bit late, but whatever. But this toothbrush is exactly what I was looking for. I love so many things about it. I'm going to start off by how pretty it is. You don't think of a toothbrush being pretty, but this one really is. I love the sleek design, I love the color, and I love the light features on it. It's just pretty, and I love that. My favorite thing about this toothbrush is just how healthy it makes my mouth feel. The bristles on the head are longer than normal, so they really get in between your teeth to give you a healthier teeth and happier gums. I also love that this baby is rechargeable. You can put it on there for up to 4 hours and it'll last you forever. I haven't had to recharge it since I got it. It just keeps going. This is perfect for travel. It comes with a little traveling case where everything fits nicely in there. You close it up, put it in your bag, and you are ready to go. You don't even have to bring the charging station if you charge it before it leaves. So this toothbrush is going to give you an excellent clean, regardless of whether your teeth are sensitive or not. You can just massage your gums, it can polish, it can clean. It has 3 different intensities, depending on what you'd like. And I also love that it has a 2-minute timer so you can time yourself to know when you're done brushing. This toothbrush is amazing. It was everything I wanted it to be. It makes my mouth feel so clean, and that is one of the best feelings in the world. But that's just my point of view.